Selamat pagi, rekan sekerja, tuan-tuan dan puan-puan. Pertama sekali, saya ingin mengucapkan terima kasih kepada Syarika kerana membenarkan kami memperkenalkan produk kami. Perkenalkan, nama saya Galih Cahyaningrum dan ada rekan sekerja saya Charlina Sari. Kami sebagai staf marketing dari Fingertech ID Company akan memperkenalkan dan menawarkan produk kami kepada syarikat Anda. Di sini rekan sekerja saya akan membentangkan tentang produk syarikat kami.
Selamat pagi, silakan mulakan pembentangan produk.
Selamat pagi, Cik Dery dan Puan Gina. Saya sangat gembira dapat berada dalam pertemuan maya dengan Anda yang telah memberi kami peluang untuk memperkenalkan salah satu produk syarikat kami hari ini. Pertama, izinkan saya memperkenalkan diri saya. Nama saya Charlina Sari, saya adalah staf marketing Fingertech ID Company. Saya tak akan bercakap lama di sini, kerana saya tahu bahawa masa Anda sangat berharga. Saya hanya mengambil sedikit masa untuk menerangkan produk mesin kehadiran masa terbaru kami, yakni Fingertech X304. Di akhir pembentangan, Encik Dery dan Puan Gina akan menyadari bahawa sudah tiba masanya untuk Jatex Company beralih menggunakan mesin kehadiran cap jari kerana ia sangat membantu untuk memudahkan kerja dan sudah tentu akan dapat menjimatkan lebih banyak lagi kos. From the information I got, Jatex Company still use checkout attendants. It can be seen from the following picture. Using these checkout attendants, lots of carts are piling up. Then, what if the cart is lost? Of course, if it is lost, it will be very difficult for HR. Apart from that, what often happens is employee fraud upon the course. A cheater could easily leave his absence to his co-worker while he might be late, so it seems as if he come in on time. This is certainly a point of leakage that it's not won by the company, right? And the last thing that become a problem is, of course, if you want to pull data, it will take a lot of time for HR. Therefore, it is time for Jatex Company to switch from this checkout attendance machine. Okay, next. Is fingerprint attendant machine the best solution? An answer is yes. Fingerprint is a unique identity that cannot be the same from one person to another. A person can cover the shortage of card attendant machines that are prone to fraud. In addition, the benefit of fingerprint is that it's easier to retrieve data for administrative purposes because the recorded data is already available in the form of Excel document. So, this is one of our best products, namely Fingertech X304, fingerprint attendant machine and door access control with best fingerprint sensor. This machine is equipped with a full-color 3-inch TFT LCD screen that can display employee photo during a successful transaction, a USB port for data withdrawal with a flash disk, and alarm function to detect if the door is not closed tightly or opened by force, as well as SMS message, web feature, server, schedule bell, weekend port, time zone, work code, and its fingerprint capacity is 3000. The extensive technology support of this machine will answer various companies and factories that need complex, comprehensive, and integrated solutions. Okay, next. Products from Fingertech ID have been by 3,543 companies. All radios attended by employees as many as 135,765 from all Fingertech ID client companies. Fingertech ID has been used in 9 districts and 12 cities all over Indonesia. Baik, Cik Dery dan Puan Gina, itulah maklumat tentang produk unggul kami. Sebagai sebuah syarikat yang telah melayani ribuan pelanggan, kami sangat ingin dapat membantu dan memberikan penyelesaian terbaik untuk Jatex Company. Terima kasih atas perhatian Anda. Seterusnya, saya akan menyerahkan pembentangan ini kepada Galih.
Thank you, Charlina, for the explanation. Here I will convey about the prices of our product. To be able to feel the benefits of our product, Mr. Dery and Mrs. Gina can get it for only 4 million rupiah. Yes, you haven't heard wrong. The FingerTech X304 price is only 4 million rupiah. This offer is very cheap when compared to similar product out there. This is comparable to the benefits that JetX company will get. But I have good news because as the first form of cooperation between JetX company and FingerTech ID company, we would like to provide a special offer. Especially for JetX company, we have prepared a special offer, namely a discount of 15% and a guarantee for 3 years if the transaction is made in this week. Please, Mr. Derry and Mrs. Gina, if you have any question about our product.
I think this is an innovation and a new breakthrough in this digital era. And it is time for us to also replace the absent system that we have now so that we can think with the absent system, as you have said.
Yes, that's right. With this, it will minimize for 90 employees. Maybe there are some questions that I convey, such as the quality assurance process for your product.
To ensure product quality reach the company properly, FingerTech ID company has rule and production in each of its production process, from the selection of raw material to the process of packaging product into finished product. With the achievement of the GMP certificate at the beginning of this year, we are committed and guarantee that all the products we produce have good quality that can be accepted by customers so that the customer satisfaction we expect is achieved. In every production process, we do through the selection of raw material, workmanship in according with good procedure, checking product quality through the quality control process, and also supported by employees who have the ability and knowledge of good and correct production method.
Before we can explain what are the advantages of this product for our company.
First, let us explanation the advantage of the product we have, namely their practical and simple use. Employees can immediately take attendance and provide their presence by attacking one of the sensors available on the attendance machines. Guaranteed attendance accuracy because the media used to record employees' attendance is their respective fingerprints. The accuracy of attendance will be guaranteed. No more employees will like to cheat by submitting timesheets such as card attendance because their own fingerprint must be authenticated. A lot of user capacity. The fingerprint attendance machine can amount that fingerprint data that can reach tens of thousands.
Now this is what makes companies interested in using the product. Not only making it easier, but also very useful for providing employees who want to do as you have explained just now. But what about the drawback of a product?
In general, fingerprint attendance machines have shortcomings in the process of detecting the employee's fingerprints. This type of machine tends to experience error or slow process, especially if the fingerprint being detect are dirty, wet, or fingerprints. In other words, the fingerprint attendance machine is very sensitive. Error or problems like this can interfere with the company productivity because of the slowness of announcing employee absence.
What are the payment terms and conditions?
First, we have documents of delivery of goods to ensure customer other have proof of purchase orders. When the product is purchased in cash, there is a payment receipt and invoice. For return goods, debit or credit note is issued. In addition, usually when the goods are removed from the warehouse, there will be a travel document issue. Even until the goods are received by the customer, you need to verify by getting a receipt for the customer's signature on behalf of the consignee. Then, we use the POB destination shipping system with cost and risk arising from shipping goods from the seller warehouse to the buyer warehouse being the responsibility of the seller. Payment can be made by cash or credit. For credit payment terms, it is usually determined with a payment limit of 13 days. Then there is the recording of transactions that are carried out when the goods have left our warehouse. Recording is done.
Baik, terima kasih Bu Gali. Mohon Encik Dery jika ada sesuatu yang ingin disampaikan.
Oke, terima kasih kerana telah memperkenalkan produk. Saya rasa selepas saya mengenali produk ini, mungkin sangat berpengaruh untuk syarikat kita dan mungkin dia akan lebih berkesan dalam syarikat kita dengan produk ini. Jadi setelah kami mempertimbangkannya, kami dengan ini menyatakan bahawa syarikat kami berminat dengan produk Anda. Dan mungkin pada masa hadapan, saya akan memberi kerjasama dan menggunakan produk ini.
Terima kasih Encik Dery dan Puan Gina atas minat syarikat Anda untuk bekerja sama dengan menggunakan produk kami. Saya dengan ini akan menyediakan unit dan mengantarkannya secepat mungkin. Oke, terima kasih atas peluang yang Jatex Company berikan kepada kami. Untuk maklumat selanjutnya kami akan hantar melalui email dan kami mohon maaf sekiranya terdapat kesilapan dalam penyampaian yang kami sampaikan. Terima kasih atas perhatian tuan-tuan dan puan-puan. Saya Gali Cahyaningrum beserta rekan sekerja saya Charlina Sari sebagai pasukan pemasaran dari Fingertech ID Company. Salam sejahtera untuk kita semua.
Terima kasih.